Hello everyone, welcome. So in this video, you already read the title and seen the thumbnail, but anyway, it's my responsibility to tell you again. So in this video, I'm gonna be making a cowl neck dress inside of Marvelous Designer or Crew 3D. It doesn't matter what software you have, both are same. Alright, it's gonna be really step by step. I'm not gonna be cutting anything. So yeah, let's start. Alright, here is my avatar, and before everything, make sure that your skin offset of the avatar is 0 or at least below 1, not 3 as default. To make a cowl neckline, first I'm going to make a basic shape or basic t-shirt pattern. It's very simple. It doesn't have to be very perfect. Just add a rectangle with here, the rectangle pattern tool. You can add like that from your neck to almost below the waist. And with the edit point and split line tool, I'm going to add a point here and probably here. And select these 2 points and drag it down. That's basically how I make a basic block, but that can be changed person to person. If you have, if you follow other process, that's fine. Just you have to have a basic block. But if you want to copy this process, just watch this. And again, if you know how to make a basic block, there will be a timestamp. Just go and skip this part. I'm gonna select that, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste. And in the 3D window, right click, flip the normal, and I'm gonna place it behind my character like that. Again guys, this doesn't have to be perfect. So select this, select both pattern. You can either press Ctrl D or right click symmetric pattern with sewing like that. Now I'm going to sew it with the segment sewing tool. So here it is, segment sewing. So the front, as you can see, if you have problem, if you find difficult to sew in the 2D window, you can always sew in the 3D window. It's the same, but it's sometimes better to know how to sew in 2D window. So as you can see, I didn't sew the side seam now because I first let it drip and then sew it, because sometimes it just causes some problems. Anyway, as you can see, this is really wide, so I'm gonna make it a little bit fit. Like that. Again, as I said, this basic block doesn't have to be proper. You will know why just in a bit. Alright, I'm going to select this two, right click and match up to start. I highly recommend you to assign as hotkey, so it will be very fast. So I'm going to just drag it like that, and I'm going to take this point. This is basically this area, and just drag it to the shoulder, to the here actually. So I get the wide neck, something like that. So this is, I think, good. And just forget the back pattern for now. Just focus on the front pattern. Again, match up to start. I just used a hotkey. So to make a cowl neckline, it's real simple. You just have to select this point and drag it like this, and simulate, of course, and let it drip. Alright guys, it's really up to you of how much the front folds you want. I want kinda more folds, so I need to make this quite wider like this. Just let drip, simulate, and as you can see, it's already taking shape, not 100%, but quite 20%. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this pattern, right click, rotate, and y-axis. Click that and click this line. So it will be straight. And snap this together. As you can see, there is one problem. I hope you find it. This is this angle. As you can see, this is really pointy. And don't make it pointy. If you make it pointy, as you can see, this area I'm talking about, by the way, this area. So as you can see, this is really weird. You don't want that. You want a smooth angle. So just select the edit curve point tool and edit this curve like this. So it should be smooth, and simulate. So as you can see, this is quite smooth. All right, as I said, I really want big, like more cowl type neckline. So I select this and just drag it up like that. Wait for autosave, yes, and simulate. So the further you make this line like this, the more this fold you will get. And again, don't make it pointy, just make smooth curve. I mean smooth line. Now, most neckline, this cowl neckline are folded backward like this, not like this in the front. It looks a little bit odd, but you can get away with that, no problem. But I want this to go back. It's very simple. Just select mesh tool, the box, and you have to drag it like that. And all right, there's a quick tip. If you pressed Control and Shift at the same time, you can add selected mesh like that. Now just select here, I mean just a single click here to it will bring a gizmo. Don't select outside this green area, otherwise it will be gone. Just select in the green area, and from the side view, just rotate this like that. It will be a little bit bad and move it like this, but you will get this thing. Probably I just messed it too much. Just let me do it one more time like this, and fold it, simulate. Yeah, you have to be a little bit patient with that, and just keep folding until it is working perfectly. There will be some trial and error, but get away with that. All right, when you have that, I want a little bit more like this. And don't forget to smooth this like that. Yeah, you really have to be patient a little bit. So in real life, it is really easy because you can physically touch it, you can physically rotate and move it. But here a little bit problem, but that's not an excuse. I'm gonna fix it. Yeah, I think it's getting shape, but here a little bit, it is giving me a little problem. First, I'm going to select that and make it maybe 8, a little bit less polygon. I mean, more polygon to work with. And yeah, I'm not very satisfied with this. I really want this to fold backward, but it's not cooperating with me. I'm not sure why. But if your fabric are folded already, okay. When I say fabric, I remember something. Make sure your fabric type should be not custom. It should be here, cotton stretch velvet. So it will add a little bit more gravity to this because it's a little bit heavier and it drapes really nice. Don't use default. No, I need to fix it. I should make it, I should change the fabric a little bit at the beginning. So anyway, I'm gonna fold it here. Oops, like that. And this neck is not cooperating with me anymore. I don't know why. I don't know if he's my enemy or something, but yeah, bad joke. Again, what I'm saying is, if your fabric cooperates with you, you can just skip this part. It's really annoying to watch someone to fix something. Yeah, it's annoying for me. Because time is precious and I don't know what I'm talking. So as you can see it perfectly here. It should be folded backward like that, and this part doesn't have to be folded, but here should be folded like that, so it will look very nice. Now, as I said, I want kind of more, fold on this area, so you will get more folds and probably more draping, and it will be this area, this neckline, if you make it like way too high, this area will drape down. So if you want that look, go for it. I'm just here for demonstrating. I'm not making a dress. I already made a dress, but I'm just gonna show you how to make a cowl neckline in Marvelous Designer or Cloth 3D. So just keep tweaking with these folds, because that folds makes this kind of dress really amazing. So it is the focus point or focal point. You just want to have a nice folds. All right, I am kind of satisfied with this, but it's not enough. If you want to make it, like, I can give you some ideas of how to transfer this dress to make something more appealing, something better. Let's now make it. All right, so I want this line to be straight. So right click on this pattern, rotate y-axis, and select this. Click on this line. Select these two, right click, match up at start. And I don't know why I did that. Anyway, just forget that. Delete the back patterns. You don't need anymore. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, right click and offset pattern outline. Don't forget to click create internal line and just increase this distance and hit OK. And keep making it bigger manually. And sew it. Make it a little bit bigger, otherwise it could be some problem. And then sew like this. This is a bad idea. Don't sew. Select this again, outline, and make it a little bit bigger. Make it straight and make it some wider. And now sew and see if this is all good. Look for the pattern reverse thing like this, yeah. And you can just tweak it any way you can. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time tweaking, because this is just a demonstration of a cowl neckline, not a dress tutorial. So just fix just like that and like this. Everything should be smooth, otherwise it looks, otherwise it will look bad. So yeah, you can add dirt here to remove this kind of folds. I'm not going to do that. And you can again make sure to make this fold or folds look nice. You can just drag this a little bit up, or you can make this a little bit shorter to have the shoulder seam to the right place. It's optional, by the way, but yeah, you can make anything with this dress. You can make this as a long form dress or short like this. Make the back a little bit better, do whatever you want. It's just the fun process. So that's the demonstration. And the last thing you have to do is you just need to decrease the particle distance. I'm going to do it maybe 5. Yeah, 5 is cool. Simulate. And yeah, when you simulate, this looks really good. Alright guys, here I add a little pose to see how it looks, and I think it looks good. So yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope I covered every step and you understand every step, because it's very important. And I'm really curious of what you guys can make with this from this dress. And if you really want, go check out my description. I will provide this dress in the description on my Gumroad page. It will be absolutely free, or pay what you want. So just go and grab that. And yeah, that's it for this video. And oh wait, all right, I just load some reference images. I hope I will not get any copyright. I just get this dress from Google. So yeah, this is a demonstration of, this is an example of a cowl neckline. So it doesn't have to be like this, always like this. It can be like this, it can be like this, or it can be like this, which is, yeah, you get the point. And it doesn't always have to be on the front. It can be on the back like this. So yeah, just unleash your creativity, make whatever you want. This is the fun part. So thank you guys for watching. And if you have any kind of problem or any kind of like questions, you can ask in or on, I don't know, on the comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.